In terms of barriers of attitudes, we found a few practices that addressed all attitudes. Corporate cultures was mentioned as a way to influence attitudes, creating an understanding of the environment and the coworkers' needs at the time of hire, along with reminders and discussion at staff meetings. These can influence not only the coworkers, but also employees with disabilities who might be, for example, using informal PAS improperly or inappropriately, as in asking people over and over again or going to the same person over and over again. A few organizations spoke of general disability awareness training to try and convey the needs of people with disabilities to coworkers and supervisors. In terms of addressing employee preparation and awareness, a couple of employers had extensive written policy manuals and job descriptions for personal assistants, providing a roadmap for how to request the services. And some employers had internal websites that assisted with the resources in terms of accommodations. And we're still looking at waiting time for accommodations, space needs, and security clearances. In conclusion, this is would say a relatively new issue in terms of research. There's not much knowledge yet. More data and research is needed on the number of people needing and using PAS in the workplace, PAS costs to employers, and the impact of the state's Medicaid infrastructure grant efforts. A research agenda needs to be developed for this area. We need more clarity on the language, or consistency and clarity, so that work tasks and personal care tasks at work can be clearly understood. There have been policy initiatives on workplace PAS, but they haven't been very well developed yet. Individuals and companies clearly face barriers to workplace PAS, but there are promising practices that can address these barriers, and we're going to try and widely promote those as much as we can. And I think there's an opportunity here for public and private or private tax and funding solutions to expand workplace PAS as those are really needed. Thank you very much.